Hello guys, so this is part 2. I want to show you how you can generate your QR code using the Beanplay platform. So you search for Beanplay. So this is the platform, and then this is where it says show your link. So I've already done a video on this one. You can check on my channel. And today I just want to do something about QR code. So you click there, you paste your long URL there, and then you generate your code. So that is your code. That is your code. So you can download the PNG, or if you want other versions, depending on where you're pasting, or you can just copy. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe if you follow for more videos like this. Thank you.